This program really has made a difference in my life. Hi, my name is Miguel. I'm a Teladoc Health member. I had diabetes for over 2 years, and I've been not really good at keeping track of it. I check myself maybe once a month. I know everybody's just eating, having fun. I just want to be part of it. Never really brought up my disease. I run out of breath for no reasons. I get really tired and sleepy. It was getting worse. My sugar was at like 300, close to 400. I didn't realize how bad it was constantly, all the time. This program opened my eyes like, hey, you gotta do something. The services are great. To me, one of the best things is when the coaches text you. The coaches are so nice. When I got the machine, I checked my blood and I got a message from my coach trying to ask me what I've been eating, what can I do to help lower my sugar. Nobody ever really asked me stuff like that about my disease. One night, I was trying to get chest pains. My kids are asleep, my wife's asleep, and I checked my sugar. My sugar was pretty high. Then my coach texted me. It was like almost midnight. He's like, "Are you okay? How do you feel? What can I do?" I said, "I'm fine. I just felt a little lightheaded and my chest hurts a little." He was like, "Is that a normal symptom for you? You might want to seek medical attention. You think in your head, oh, I'm fine, it's nothing." But sometimes it's like you need somebody to say, no, really, like, wake something up, double check. My coach told me, better get an exercise program. I actually brought me an exercise bike today because I need to get my heart going. When my coach check out on me and my family check out on me, it's just so good. It feels more than a community. It feels more like a family. I feel like my family was coming together. This is where I send a report to my doctor from this device. That's where the program comes in real handy. I didn't have to learn anything, and I get the support and everything that I need all through this little device. It's helping me get healthier, get better emotionally. I feel better, which is a big one, and my health is getting better.